सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। Page 206, verse 216. तृणाच्चकादियोगान्ताः ईश्वरे भ्रान्तिमाश्रिताः लोकायतादिसाङ्ख्यान्ताः जीवे विभ्रान्तिमाश्रिताः Vidyaranya, dealing with the topic of Aikyam. Aikya means oneness or identification with Paramatma, who is the Ishvara. Once we talk about Jivatma, Paramatma, Aikyam, that Jiva and Ishvara, both of their lower nature, medium, RM and RC, both are Mithya. Vyavaharika Satyam. Kutastha nature of Jiva, Brahman nature of Ishvara, both are one and the same Paramarthika Satyam. Jiva and Ishvara, both of them are composite entity. We have to remember this composite entity and what are the composites are there and how many composites, how many factors are there. And among those factors, what are the real factors? What is the real factor? What are the unreal factors? What are the real factors? We should not say. Why? Only one. Good. You are all very good students. What is the real factor? What are the real unreal factors? We have to know. I know that you all know this. Then we can proceed. But many other systems of philosophies do not know this. They do not know. They also talk about Jiva, Ishvara, and they take both of them are real at their Vyavaharika level. Whereas only Kutastha Brahma Chaitanyam alone is Paramarthika Satyam real. But for them, the Vyavaharika Jiva, RM, RC, Vyavaharika Ishvaras, RM, RC, Upadhi are also real according to them. The religious people as well as yoga people, those who are doing lot of religious austerities, rituals, they are all doing what? This Ishvara is real. How much real? 100% real. This Vyavaharika Ishvara is real. If you go outside, you can know. Trinarchakadi Yoganta. Even this yoga people also accept Ishvara. Ishvara Pranidhanam, they talk in Ashtanga Yoga. Yama Niyamas, the last Niyama is Ishvara Pranidhanam. They also accept Ishvara, but that Ishvara is a real Ishvara. The Upadhi is real, RM is real, RC is real. So from ordinary illiterate people, those who are worshipping Ishvara, and those who are highly educated and doing lot of sadhanas, going to samadhi, abhyasa, yogantaha, all these people consider Ishvara as real. Therefore, Ishvare Phrantim Ashritaha. When we listen this, even some of the students' mind or intellect will not accept that topic he is going to deal next. Some students, they listen, but how can Ishvara be unreal? So it is tough for them to accept that statement. For that, Vidyaranya is going to give answer, clarify. Bhrantim ashritaha, they are all deluded. Who are all they? Philosophers like this. Lokayatadi sankhyantaha. Lokayata means Charvaka onwards. Adipadad, all Jains, Buddhists, all of them. Sankhyantaha, Astika darshanams. Sankhya, Nyaya, Yoga, Vaiseshika are known as Astika darshanams. They are all Astikas because they accept Veda. Sankhya, Nyaya, Yoga, Vaiseshika, Purva Mimamsa, all of them come under Astika darshanams. They accept Veda. Among them, Sankhya, Purva Mimamsaka, they won't accept Ishvara. Therefore, with regard to Ishvara, they are Nastikas. From the standpoint of Ishvara, they are Nastikas, Sankhya and Purva Mimamsakas. With regard to Veda, they are called Astikas. They trust in the validate Veda, therefore Astikas. Therefore, Yoga philosopher accepts Veda as well as Ishvara. Therefore, he is Astika. I already given this statement. Nyaya Vaiseshika also they accept Ishvara, but Sankhya and Purva Mimamsakas, they don't accept Ishvara. Ishvara is not there for them. Veda is there, therefore they are called Astika Nastikas. But Lokayatas, they are called Nastika Nastika. Charvakas, they never give value for Veda. They are Nastikas with regard to Veda. With regard to Ishvara also, they are Nastikas. They don't accept Ishvara. Therefore, where we are in Tamil Nadu, we are in Nastikas. Most of the people are Nastikas here. But fortunately, there are many Astikas. Astikas. We are all what? Astikas. That's why Astika Samajam. There are 2-3 Astika Samajams in Chennai. They conduct so many discourses of so many people. Those who trust in Veda and Ishvara. That's why it is called Astika Samajam. Many people do not know why it is called Astika Samajam. Asti iti yaha vadati saha astikaha. Kim asti na? Fridge asti, TV asti. Not that. Ishvaraha asti, Veda pramanyam api asti, tasmast astika. So we all come under what now? Astikas. Astikas. Okay? So Lokayatadi, Charvakas and Jaina people, 4 types of Buddhism. Sautrantika, Vaibhashika, Yogachara, Madhyamika, 4 types of Buddhisms. Apart from Jains. Today what? Correct Mahavir Jayanti today. Government holiday. This Mahavir, Vardhamana Mahavira, that Rishabha Mahadeva was the founder of this Jaina Matam. They don't accept Veda, they don't accept Ishvara. Therefore, but we respect and give holiday on his name. Buddha Jayanti holiday, Mahavira Jayanti holiday, so many holidays. Tomorrow what? Good Friday. Nalla Velliya edo potrukku Tamilla. Tamilla paatha Good Friday how to translate? Punitha Velli. Punitha Velli. Sacred Friday. Good Friday. Tomorrow also holiday. So we respect everyone, but we refute everyone. It's a secret. We respect everyone, we refute everyone. Because they are only Vadipadu. Tamil lo sollanuna Vadipadu. It is only a practice, religious practices are meant to mature, refine. They are the means, not end. They are not the end, they are only means. Are you clear with this? Don't join with them. Gumpulo Govinda Madri. Velila pona vidane. Swami ni sonnadella. Apdi sollakudadu. Your intellect start thinking. Okay. We respect them, we revere them, but we refute their philosophy. That respect and reverence also up to what extent as a means. Lokayatadi, correct vandittar slokam paaruga. Lokayatadi sankyantaha jive vibhrantim ashritaha. Jiva vishaye. This is Vishaya Saptami. Previous people, Trunarchikadi Yogantaha, those who are Ishvara Astitvavadis, they are all Ishvara Astitvavadis. That's why Vidyaranya separate. In the 2 lines, the differentiation you have to note. Trinarchikadi Yogantaha means Ishvara Astitvavadinaha. They are all deluded with regard to Ishvara's definition. Ishvare means Ishvara Vishaye and Artham. Ishvara Vishaye, Vishaya Saptami. With regard to. Saptami is of 2 types. Vishaya Saptami and Adhikarana Saptami. There are some more Saptamis, Sati Saptami like that. Here, Vishaya Saptami means with regard to Ishvara. Many people, religious people are deluded. Then next line what? With regard to Jiva, Jiva Vishaye. That's why again that is also Saptami. Jive. Jave anirukanga. Jive, have you corrected in the last class? Jive. Jiva Vishaye ityarthaha. With regard to Jiva. If it is Adhikarana Saptami, meaning is in the, on the, Patre Jalam Asti. There is water in the pot. Patre Jalam Asti means Adhikarana Saptami, locus. Patre Jalam Asti. Here, Jive means not in the Jiva, in the Ishvara. With regard to Ishvara, with regard to Jiva. This is called Vishaya Saptami. With regard on the Vishaya Saptami. In, on, if it comes, it is Adhikarana Saptami. Kala comes at the time of, at that time, in that time, at that place on the, again Adhikarana, time on the Sati Saptami, Kala Saptami. Another Saptami is there, Nimitta Saptami, there are so many. Namakku or Vishaya Saptami, What I want to say, People are confused. Religious people are confused about Ishvara. Philosophers, those who are all talking about Jiva, they are also confused about Jiva. Bhrantimashritaha. First line lo Bhrantimashritaha. Second line lo Vibhrantimashritaha. Muttal and Vadikattina Muttal. Tamil translation பண்ணணும்னா Bhrantimashritaha, Vibhrantimashritaha. எப்படி தமிழ் டிரான்ஸ்லேஷன்னா Bhrantimashritaha முட்டாள் அர்த்தம், Vibhrantimashritaha வடிகட்டின முட்டாள் அர்த்தம். அதுக்கு தான் வா கரெக்டா இருக்கு பாருங்க. That much delusion about Jiva. Because Ishvara is real, Jiva is real. What is Jiva they do not know, what is Ishvara they do not know. The definition what Shastra gives, they take it as real. What is given as figuratively, they take it as absolute sense and they are confused. Why they are all confused? Because they have missed the Brahma Tattvam. What is that Brahma Tattvam? 217. Advitiyam Brahma Tattvam. Advitiyam Brahma Tattvam. Na jananti yada tada. Na jananti yada tada. Bhranta eva akhilastesham. Bhranta eva akhilastesham. Vamukti kveha vasukham. Vamukti kveha vasukham. The kve letter next to the letter ha. It is not clear. You can correct it. Kveha vasukham. The Brahman nature they do not know. This Brahman, as long as they do not know, yada advitiyam Brahma Tattvam na jananti. As long as they do not know, what they do not know, advitiyam, secondless, non-dual. What is that secondless, non-dual? Brahma Tattvam, the nature of Brahman. If they do not know that nature of Brahman which is non-dual and which is infinite, Brahma Tattva means infinite nature of Brahman as non-dual. They do not know tada tavat paryantam, until that time Bhrantaha eva akhilaha, they are all deluded only. Why I am calling them Bhrantaha, Vibhrantaha? Because they do not know Paramarthikam Advitiyam Brahma. They have only Vyavaharika Satyam. They don't have Paramarthika Satyam, higher order of reality. The Satta Bheda they are not recognizing. How can I accept Satta Bheda? What is the Pramanam? There is a Paramarthika Satyam. How can I say two Sattas are there? You are experiencing two Sattas from your standpoint, projected reality and relative reality. Swapnam is projected reality, less real than waking state. Waker is relative reality, Vyavaharika Satyam. You have that knowledge, two Sattas you have, Vyavaharika Satyam and projected, that is Pratibhasika Satta. In Sushupti, are you there or not? You are there in Sushupti. Have you slept in the night, last night? Have you slept? Are you waker or dreamer when you are in deep sleep? Are you waker or are you dreamer? You are neither waker nor dreamer. You are not waker means you are not in Vyavaharika. If you are not in Vyavaharika Satta. Are you getting the point? You are not in a dream means you are not in Pratibhasika Satta also. You are not in Pradibhasika Satta because you are not in dream. You are not in Vyavaharika Satta because you are not the waker when you are sleeping. That means you are there or not. No, Pradibhasika Satta means reality. Projected reality, relative reality, both are absent or not in your sleep. You are neither waker nor dreamer. Are you there or not? You are there. Then what satta it is? Tell me, what satta it is? There must be someone recognizing in one reality, satta. It is neither Vyavaharikam nor projected Pradibhasikam. That must be some satta. I am there means there is some other realm of reality. You must be very, very sharp to grasp this point. I have never thought of coming up to now this point to teach you because of your attention. Just it is coming. Because of your attention, focusing mind, it is coming just now. I have never said this point in any one of my classes. First time I am telling. How to know Paramarthika Satta? Simple. In sleep, deep sleep, you are neither waker. That means you are not in Vyavaharika Avastha. You are not even dreamer status. Therefore, you are not in Pradibhasika Satta. That means you are there without Vyavaharika Satta and Pradibhasika Satta, without waker and without dreamer. You, the sleeper, you are aware, you are there. Every one of you said, I am there in deep sleep. I slept well. Tell me, what is that Satta? You cannot say Vyavaharikam. You cannot say Pradibhasikam. That is called Paramarthikam. You are in real status. Avastha Rahitaha. Sushupti Avastha is only for body, mind. That Avastha, Paramarthika Avastha, now also I am Paramarthika Chaitanyam. That Avastha is Avastha Rahitam. Paramarthika Brahma Chaitanyam, Sakshi Chaitanyam is available in waking state, dream state and sleep state. Therefore, that Paramarthika Satta is available only in sleep. Paramarthika Satta, I am there just as a witness, aware, consciousness. That consciousness is available only in sleep. That means that consciousness which is Paramarthika Satta is, now also it is available. Therefore, I the Atma, Turiya Atma is Paramarthika Satta, now also it is available. That is only a clue, care of Mandukya. If you are thorough in Mandukya, you can grasp this point. Okay. Advitiyam Brahma Tattvam na jananti yada. As long as they do not know this Paramarthika Satyam, Abheda. What Bheda is there in sleep? Tell me. Nindararasu nidrinsu nidrayunokate andane bantu nidra adiyunokate. Kandanana. Okay. That song, the sleep, there is no Bheda. In dream there is a Bheda. In waking state there is a Bheda, but there is Abheda in sleep. Sleep is the best, closest example to recognize your Turiya Atma. Example, okay, don't go to sleep. Swami, I want to experience Turiya Atma, let me doze off now. Last class I said what? In Jagrata Avastha only you get Jnana. Not in Turiya Avastha sleep. You need not go to Avastha in Samadhi. Turiyatita Avastha. You are now Turiya Atma, which doesn't have any Avastha. As long as you do not know this Paramarthika Aham Brahma Atma Chaitanyam Tavat Paryantam Kim Bhavati Bhrantaha Eva Akhilaha. Vidyaranya telling the students also, if the student don't understand Advitiyam Brahma, until that time student is also Bhrantaha, deluded only. Bhrantaha eva. Who are they? Akhilaha, all of them. Archakadi, Yogantaha, Lokayatadi, all of them Bhrantaha eva. All of them are deluded. Teshvam kva muktihi kva iha hyava sukham. For such people, those who do not know this Vyavaharika Satyam, Paramarthika Satyam, Vyavaharika Satya is what? Mind. Mind is Vyavaharika Satyam. Vyavaharika Satya mind gives what Sukham? Vyavaharika Sukham. Vyavaharika Sukham has got fluctuations or not? It has got fluctuations. Sukham, Moda, Pramoda, Priya Moda, Pramoda. Gradation is there. So Vyavaharika Sukham is always fluctuating. Which Vyavaharika Sukham comes in the mind? Which mind is Vyavaharika? So in Vyavaharika Satyam, in Vyavaharika mind, Vyavaharika Sukham comes. Which Vyavaharika Sukham is unreal? Which Vyavaharika Sukham unreal? Where it comes? Mind. Mind is also unreal. Once Vyavaharika is unreal, Vyavaharika mind is Vyavaharika Sukham unreal. So people are all deluded in Vyavaharika Sukham, which is coming and going, which is having a lot of conditions, gradations. It is set up, upset, set up, upset, which is unreal. Therefore, those people cannot enjoy even Vyavaharika Sukham also. Poyudumemo bhayam. Vyavaharika Sukham, permanent or temporary? Temporary. So that temporary Sukham, Iha, in this Janma, where is the question of Mukti for them? As long as they take this Vyavaharikam as Satyam, Va Mukti, where is the question of Jivan Mukti? JM club they cannot come. What is JM club? Jivan Mukti club they cannot enter. Where is the question of Mukti? Mukti video apparent. Where is the question of Sukha? Even Vyavaharika Sukham is fluctuating. It is in doldrums. It is not sure. Therefore, always a person is afraid of. If nannada irukka healthy sukhama irukku dishti padumemo anu bhayam. Dishti paduman bhayam. What sukham is it? Tell me what sukham. When they are in sukham, also in Vyavaharika Sukham, they are afraid of old age, they are afraid of death, they are afraid of dishti, they are afraid of so many other future worries. Where iha sukham, even this worldly, bodily sukham is not available, mental, emotional sukham is not available, intellectual also Sukham is not available, because in Vyavaharika, physical pleasure, mental pleasure, intellectual pleasure, all are in very minute form. They are not up to the mark. That is why Atrupti Karatvam continues as long as you are in Vyavaharika. You cannot be free from Atrupti, dissatisfaction. Are you happy with your hair? No. Are you happy with your complexion? No. Are you happy with your pallu alignment? Not at all. That is why many people are afraid to open their mouth. Yen pallu ella theriyumo nu bhayam. Sirikave maata. Yen anga gap irukku, inga gap irukku, inga Are you happy with your color of that teeth? They are not happy at all with their physical appearance. And they are not happy with their mind also. My mind is having so many problems, Swami. Sometimes I feel, am I deserve to be your student or not? Some students get this doubt. Am I deserve to be your student? Because my mind is sometimes get upset, sometimes so much disturbed, sometimes it has got anger and jealousy. All these are coming, Swamini. Therefore, sometimes I am afraid of coming to you. What I said, you the Atma Paramarthika Satyam. Why you are bothered about Mithya mind? Why you are bothered about Mithya mind? Am I deserve to come to your class or not? My mind is so disturbed, or my mind is not having sadhana chatushtaya sampatti at all. Therefore, I sit back. Some students have fear. Therefore, I sit back. Not you. I am telling generally people think like that. Not you are not thinking like that. Generally, people have this feeling. Vyavaharika mind has got umpteen problems. Dukkha misritatvam, bandhakatvam, atruptikaratvam. That is mithya, unreal. It is not at all satyam. You cannot change it. You cannot avoid it. What you can do only one thing. It is unreal. It is of lesser order of reality. I need not bother too much about the mind. Keep it reasonably healthy and make use of it and say goodbye. Goodbye means what? That mind padumaname padu. Apniye paakano. Padumaname padu. Vasanas. Why you are worrying about vasanas, problems and that? மனசுக்குள்ள வாசனாஸ் இருக்கு, மனசுக்குள்ள நிறைய தோஷங்கள் இருக்கு. அசல் உனக்கு எதுக்கு போய் மனசு பற்றி, பொய்யான ஒரு மனசு பற்றி எதுக்கு? இப்படி எல்லாம் சொல்லும் போது that ஈஸ்வரன் பகவான் also will not forgive me. What about Bhagavan? Your mind is mithya, mind fluctuation sukha means mithya. You are afraid of punya papa, that is also happening in jiva who is the upadhi mithya. I am mithya, Swami. What about him? Ange anda pakkam Kavalishwara. Ishwara. Next question. The question is not given, but Vidyaranya brings that question and answers. The Purapakshi, like student or Bhakta, is asking what question. So that's why as long as you are in Vyavaharika, there is no Sukha, there is no Mukti. Remember, your Sukha also what you are getting, little Sukha after coming to the class, that Sukha is also only at mental level. It's a byproduct. Because you are calm, quiet here, nobody is there to criticize you. And Swami says you are Anando Brahma, you are Shuddha. You are Shuddha Buddha Mukta Swarupa. You are the Adhishtanam of the universe. Normally, we are very calm and quiet and some benefit comes. That is not Mukti, I am telling. That is not Mukti. That is always only a byproduct. What is the main product? Not a product. What is the main product? Mukti. Jivan Mukti. That is also another product. Okay, higher product, that's all. Okay. Now the Bhakta is asking, how can you say Ishvara is Mithya? That word you just skip and talk to Vedanta. There are some Bhaktas, why can't this teacher skip that word? What? Ishvara is Mithya. Adi mattu skip panni, you continue the Vedanta. What is the problem? What is the problem? I am so much disturbed when you are telling Ishvara Mithya, Ishvara Mithya. For such people, Vidyaranya answering. Uttama dhama bhavaschet esham syadastu tena kim. Swapnastha rajya न बुद्धः स्पृश्यते खलु। उत्तम अधम भावः चेत् येषां स्यात् अस्तु within inverted commas. उत्तम अधम भावश्चेत् येषां स्यात् up to there within inverted commas. This bhakta is asking, Ishvara is sarvajnah, sarvavyapi, sarvantarah. Ishvara is omnipotent, omniscient. He is having lot of powers. Uttamaha, Ishvara. Jiva is adhamaha, dasaha. Tavadasoham. Soham ille adasoham. I am adhamaha bhavaha. Bhavaha means this jiva is inferior and Ishvara is superior. Bhava is there for people. Everyone is having this. Everyone is having this bhavana. Ishvara is superior, Jiva is inferior. Idhula sandehame illa. We are very clear. Ippadi irukkumbodhu enadha. Tesham, when it is there, then Vidyaranya asking, Astu nama, let it be there, so what? Let it be there, so what? Astu nama, kim? What is the big deal with that? Ishvara is sarvajnah, Jiva is alpajnah, Ishvara is sarvavyapi, Jiva is alpavyapi. So what? After listening this much also you are telling so what? Ama. Why? Because both are vyavaharika satya. Still you have doubt? I will give you one example. Astu tena kim? So what? Tena kim means what? Jiva superiority, Jiva inferiority. Kekraro illiyo kekra. Jiva superiority. Correct? Ishvara's superiority, Jiva's inferiority. Tena, because of that, what? So what? So what? It is like this. Ishvara's superiority, Jiva's superiority, both Jiva's inferiority, Ishvara's superiority, both are, one is superior mithya, another is inferior mithya. One is superiority. That superiority is there, it is also unreal. Jiva inferiority is also unreal. So one is superior mithya, another is inferior mithya. Both are mithya. That's what he says. Swapnastha rajya bhikshamyam. In dream, swapnastha means in dream, a man, when he is dreaming, what he is dreaming? He is dreaming the Raja, who is a king, and the Rajyam, everything he is dreaming, the Raja. And there is a beggar also, Bhikshamyam, beggar also there, and Raja also there. Both are there in one dream. Both are there one dream. Raja is Swami, Bhikshaka is a Dasaha, servant like. So both of them are there in dream. King is king, beggar is beggar. In dream, king is king, beggar is beggar. Swami is Swami, Dasa is Dasa. In dream. When he wakes up, Buddhaha Sprishyate na khalu. These two are real when he is in dream. How can you say Raja and Bhikshaka, the beggar, is one and the same? How can you say that? I am not saying he is dreaming. In dream, the Raja is Raja, beggar is beggar. Both of them are different. After waking up, can you talk about their difference? Raja is superior and beggar is inferior. Once you wake up, can the Rajatvam and Bhikshukatvam, the superiority and inferiority of these both, can touch this waker? Buddhaha nasprishyate. The waker has gone to dream. Okay? Waker has gone to dream. When he has gone to dream, he saw a dream where, what dream? Raja and Bhikshaka. Beggar and a king. Both are widely different. Widely different. He is superior most, this person is inferior most. These two, both king and servant, beggar, both are appeared in only in one waker. And once he wakes up, this person, can this superiority of Raja and the inferiority of this beggar can touch this waker? They cannot touch this waker. Can he give importance to that superiority and inferiority of the king and the beggar sitting and after waking up in the cot? King and superiority, the beggar inferiority. Any discussion? Any dialogue is going on inside? Forgets. Why? Both are unreal. Superior king also unreal, inferior beggar also unreal. Will they touch this person, waker? Can they affect? Beggar can come and affect? Raja can come and affect? No. Why? One is superior, one is inferior. Why they don't affect? Both are unreal. Similarly, why you are so much worried about Uttama Ishvaraha, Adhama Jivaha? Ishvara is like a king, Jiva is like a beggar. Once you wake up, Uttishthat Jagrata, once you wake up to your higher nature, Atma Swarupam, Turiya Atma, can that Ishvara who is superior like king will affect you, the Turiyatma? From Vyavaharika Satyam you have woken up to Paramarthika Satyam through Jnana. Another big dream. This is big dream. That is small dream. What is the small dream? Daily what you are dreaming is small dream. Now what? People are all in which dream? Big dream. What is the sleep? Ajnana. Therefore what? Wake up. I am in waking state only, Swami. No, your mind is not in waking state. Your mind is in Ajnana Nidra. As long as you are in Ajnana Nidra, you cannot own up Paramarthika Satyam. As long as the teacher is talking, the Ishvara is Mithya, you are looking at that Ishvara as Satyam from the dreams. You are in dream. That means you are in Ajnana, dream. Therefore Ishvara is real, Ishvara is real. Eppadi Ajnana? Ivvala koyila ethana kotam ivvala varade Swami. Neenga mattum thaniya ukkaande anga vella poi paarumo. So what? So what? That is Vyavaharika Satyam. What am I talking is Paramarthika Satyam. How you made that king as unreal? Why he didn't touch you, the waker? Because you have woken up. Buddha means a person who has woken up, nasprishyate. That beggar and the king cannot touch this person. Similarly, a jnani who wakes up, he is Paramarthika Swarupa Tattvam. Waking up means what? Listening to the class properly and everything. Waking up means what? Taking cool water bath again, I wake up. Listening to the class systematically. That is called waking up. The moment you listen to the class properly, the subject, the Shastra, Mahavakya, you listen systematically, consistently, properly, you are also waking up. At that time, Ishvara, king, jiva, beggar, disappear. They cannot touch you. How can you say superior, inferior? As long as you are in dream, they are superior and inferior. As long as you are in dream, king is superior, beggar is inferior. As long as you are in this second dream, therefore I give chocolate. Ishvara's chocolate. Ishvara is like a chocolate. If you are in a waking dream, which is a bigger dream, the highest dream, as long as you are in that, we give a chocolate. What is that? Ishvara. Ishvara is a chocolate. Worship Ishvara. Do puja until you wake up to your real nature. We'll show a chocolate. Ishvara is a chocolate, but a Vyavaharika Ajnani. That's why chocolate vandha erundu povum. Ishvara all ants will come. Ajnani Jiva ants. Once you are in Paramarthika Swarupam, you recognize once you recognize I am, when you are Paramarthika Atma Swarupam, tell me. In which avastha? When you are Paramarthika Turiyatma, in which avastha? As you are listening in the class, Panchadashi class from your teacher, itself you are Paramarthika Atma Swarupam. Teacher is telling, shouting, crow madri, kattar, crow madri, crow is, making sound madri. Teacher also telling you are that Paramarthika Sattvam, Tat Tvam Asi, teacher is telling, but the student is not waking up. Goes with that Ajnana will go, no doubt in that. No doubt in that, but it takes time. It takes time. That will go away. No doubt in that. You will wake up to your real nature. At that time, Ishvara is a Vyavaharika Satyam for just a means. It is a means. It is not an end. Keep Ishvara, Vyavaharikama, as a means. Therefore, there is no Satyam. It's like a beggar and a king in the dream. So what? They cannot touch me, the Turiya Atma. Because Waker alone is the beggar, Waker alone is the king. Corollary. Waker alone is appearing as beggar. Waker alone is appearing as king. In the Sandehana. Is there a beggar king separate from Waker? No. Similarly, this Jiva, Bhakta and Ishvara, Swami, are they separate from me, the Turiya Atma? Never. I, the Turiya Atma alone, am acting as Bhakta. I, the Turiya Atma alone, am acting like Ishvara. Mayeva sakalam jnatam, may sarvam pratishtitam, may sarvam layam jnati. So from Turiya Atma standpoint, ahameva Ishvaraha, ahameva Vishnuhu, ahameva Brahma, ahameva Indraha, ahameva Shivaha. From Turiya Atma standpoint, ahankara chana kuttu gedikum. Not from body-mind standpoint. From Turiya Atma standpoint, this Jivatvam, Ishvaratvam cannot touch me because they are born from me, they are merged into me. This is the truth given in the Shastra. If you don't understand, try to understand. If you want to manage, that only manage. So what? Next shloka. 2:19. Tasmat mumukshabhirnaiva Tasmat means what? Since this beggar and king, they are not separate from the waker, they cannot touch the waker once he wakes up. Similarly, this Ishwaratvam and Jivatvam also like a dream, which are appearing in this Paramarthika Turiya Atma Satyam. They cannot afflict this Paramarthika Turiya Kutastha Brahma Chaitanyam. They are only Vyavaharika Satyam. Therefore, may you not focus on Jiva and Ishvara too much. After waking up, thinking about king and what? Beggar. After waking up, thinking about beggar and king, எப்படி இருக்குமோ அப்படி இருக்கும். Thinking about Ishvara and Jiva. Jiva, Jiva, Jiva அடிச்சு இருக்கிறது. ஈஸ்வரா ஈஸ்வரா மேலே பார்க்கறது. எத்தனை நாள் தைரியம் வரமாட்டேங்குது சுவாமி. I am not courageous because as a timid fellow I am continuing so many years. Today because of your one lecture can I get courage? How is it possible? Acharya is asking, since they are both mithya, vyavaharika satyam, you recognize paramarthika satyam, tasmat mumukshuvihi. Are you a mumukshu? Are you the seeker of moksha? Again I am asking, are you the seeker of moksha? If you are not a seeker of moksha, you continue in that Ishvara Jiva Veda. If you are a seeker of moksha really, wholeheartedly, you have to drop the inquiry into nuances of definition of Ishvara, Jiva, Ishvara, Jiva. எதுக்கு ஒரு திண்டாட்டம் கேட்கிறார். தஸ்மாத் முமுக்ஷுவிஹி ஜீவ ஈஷாதயோஹோ மதிஹி நைவ கார்யா. Mumukshu, the seeker of moksha, Vedantic student, should not spend time in the discussion of Jiva and Ishvara. Jiva Ishvaradayo. Jiva Isha. Jivesha Vadayo. Vada means argument. Vada means argument. Jiva Isha Vada. Jiva, who is Jiva? Miserable, suffering, Jiva. And Jiva is having these problems, Punya Papa, Sanchita, Agami, Prarabdha, all these are there. And Jiva discussion. Ishvara, omnipotent, omnipresent, and all those discussions. And Puranam, Puranam படிச்சுட்டே இந்த ஈஸ்வரன் ஒரே இது. அதுக்கப்புறம் என்ன வாதம், ஆர்குமெண்ட். இவன் ஜீவன் அவன் ஈஸ்வரன், இவன் ஜீவன் அவன் ஈஸ்வரன், வாத ஆர்குமெண்ட். Never spend your time in Jiva and Ishvara discussion with anyone. Why? It is like discussing about king and beggar. Mumukshuvihi Jivesha Vadayoho Naiva Karya. Vadam na Karya. Then what to do now? Cricket match பார்க்குறேன். சும்மா அப்படிலாம் பண்ணக்கூடாது. You have to do what? And full stop. Karya must be connected to the first line. Very important sloka this is. Vedantic students should not waste their time in discussing about Jiva and Ishvara and their relation. Both are mithya. Why you are wasting your time? Whatever your teacher teaches, listen and say goodbye. Don't go home and discuss with others, Jiva and Ishvara. ஏற்கனவே பையன் சொன்னதுக்கு அப்புறம் போய் எதுக்கு டிஸ்கஷன் பண்றேன்? வாதம் பண்றேன். வாதம் பண்ணாதே. நைவ காரியம் பாருங்க. Never, don't spend your time in Jiva and Ishvara discussion. How Ishvara can be unreal? How king can be unreal? Tell me, how king can be unreal? Swapna king. Swapna Raja, how he can be unreal? Because it is Swapna, therefore unreal. Similarly, Ishvara is also unreal because it is Vyavaharikam. Vyavaharikam is unreal, therefore Ishvara is unreal. What Ishvara is unreal? Upadhi. RM of Ishvara or C of Ishvara only mithya. What is Satyam of Ishvara? Brahma Chaitanyam. Brahma Chaitanyam is Satyam. You hold on to that Brahma Chaitanyam. I don't ask you to drop total Ishvara. Hey, total Ishvara you drop, you are dropping yourself. Total Ishvara you need not drop. Hold on to Brahma Chaitanyam part of Ishvara and drop the RM and RC part of Ishvara. Samartha irukkanum. Tasmat mumukshubhihi jivesha vadayoho naiva karya. Kintu, but Brahma Tattvam vicharyam. They should do enquiry into Brahma Tattvam only. Kutastha Chaitanyam Brahma Tattvam only they have to inquire. Paramarthika Satyam only they have to inquire. Why you are wasting your time? Why you are wasting your time? Brahma Tattvam eva vicharyam. Full stop. Buddhyatam chatat. May you know about that Brahman. Instead of knowing Brahman, holding on to RCRM. Ishvara is what? RC plus RM plus OC. OC ki kota vittite, OC vittite, holding on to Nama Rupa of Ishvara. What is the Nama Rupa? RM and RC, Sarvavyapi, Sarvabhutantaratma, all whole Suktam. Entire Suktam, all worship, the puja, Nama, Rupa, everything is you drop. Hold on to Brahma Tattvam. Pariksha Lokan Karmachitan Brahmano Nirveda Mayad. Tat means Brahma Tattvam Buddhyatam. May you know that Brahma Tattvam. Why you are spending your time for king and beggar? Namma king beggar yeah? Ishvara and? Very good. Very, very good. Next shloka. पूर्वपक्षतया तौ चेत् तत्त्वनिश्चय हेतुताम् प्राप्नुतोस्तु निमज्जस्व तयोर्नैतावतावशः. Another question may come. You drop all those arguments, all those systems, darshanams and all, because they are all in Bhranti. Sankhya, Yoga, Nyaya, Vaiseshika, everyone is a Bhranti. Therefore drop all of them, you are telling. Why can't we analyze those systems of philosophy for our clarity? Question. Why can't we analyze Sankhya Darshanam, Yoga Darshanam? Because they are also talking Jiva Tattvam, they are also talking Ishvara Tattvam, they are also talking about Tattvamasi, all these vakyams they are talking. What you are saying Tattvam, they are talking in the name of Jiva and Ishvara. Why not? Why can't we accept those systems also for our clarity's sake as a Purvapaksha? Why can't we use them for our clarity? Acharya says, yes, you can use, but don't doomed in that. Nimajjasva, na nimajjasva. But he says, Purvapakshataya tau ched tattvanischaya hetutam. Purvapakshata means as a Purvapakshi, Sankhya, Yoga, Nyaya, just as a Purvapakshi, I want to study them, I want to discuss about them. Purvapakshataya iti ched. For my clarity. Okay, you can do that. Tattvanischaya hetutam prapnudah. Tattvanischaya hetu means for analysis. Analysis of the reality with logical points, with logical analysis. Hetutam means logical. Tattvanischaya hetutam. To arrive at this Atma Tattvam, I want to study their systems also as a Purvapaksha to get clarity. Prapnutaha, full stop. Can I study those? Tau means Jiva, Isha, Ishavadi in Atham. Tau, Tattvanischaya. Tau means there in the first line. Purvapakshataya tau. Jiva Ishvara Vada, Ishvara Vada of Yoga, Jiva Vada of Archakadi, Bhra Yoga, all these things. Can I analyze? You analyze. Astu. अस्तु नाम परन्तु तयोः एतावता अवशः न निमज्जस्व. May you not drown in that. In the name of arguments, vada, in the name of analysis, in the name of inquiry, if you go, you forget Brahma inquiry. Many people do inquiry like this and they forget about Brahma Tattva. And they are all arguing about Jiva, Ishvara, debate, discussion. அதுக்கப்புறம் வரியான், வரிஷ்டா, வரஹா, ஞானிஸ்ல கூட பேதம். இதெல்லாம் அவர் ரொம்ப நிறைய பெரிய ஞானி, இவர் சின்ன ஞானி. உனக்கு யார் சொன்னா? அவர் வரஹா என்ன, அவர் மைண்ட் வந்து ரொம்ப காமா இருக்கும். இவருக்கு அப்பப்போ கோபம் வரும், அதனால இவர் வரஹா. அவர் வரிஷ்டா, அவர் கோபமே வராது, எப்பவுமே பேலன்ஸா இருப்பார். பைத்தியம். இந்த வரஹா, வரியான், வரிஷ்டா எல்லாமே based on mind. Mind is mithya. Mind connected varaha, variyan, varishtaha also mithya. Even that moksha status is also mithya. Jivan mukti is mithya. Videha mukti is mithya. Then what is satyam? You are ever muktaha is satyam. Purnamadah purnamidam purnat purnamudachyate पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. हरिः ओम. श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. हरिः ओम.